My first time trying Just Egg from the Just Company, which used to be called Hampton Creek. This is egg-free, dairy-free, and here's the ingredients and nutrition in the back. The soy is pretty small. It's from the soy lecithin, so that shouldn't bother me. And I'm heating up my pan with some oil in it to get cooking.
You make scrambled eggs on the black pan.
There you go.
I'm not sure.
Oh, you made scrambled eggs for your egg thing? You're taking a video of it. Sorry, I'm talking.
It's okay.
Are you gonna like take out sound or something?
That tastes pretty good.
Yeah.
So the Just Egg doesn't taste quite like scrambled eggs, but the texture is just like eggs. It's actually very much like eggs. Tastes pretty good. This would be really good in a breakfast sandwich.